found some babies this morning. See these little babies? There's at least 3 of them back there. Okay, I rescued this little baby this morning. I think he's about 4 weeks old. From behind one of the feeding stations down there where the mama had, she had probably about at least four kittens back there running around. And I reached into one of the shelters and grabbed this one little guy out. Hi, buddy. Okay. See if you look at me. You doing okay, bud? Yeah. So far he hasn't eaten anything. I know he has teeth because he bit me and drew blood. So I know he's probably about 4 weeks old. He's got a little litter box there. And he seemed to have calmed down a little bit. Oh, he's still spicy, see? He's mad at me. Well, we'll get him socialized and see if we can get him adopted out. I might have to try and grab his brothers and sisters down there and get them down here with him. So we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I went ahead and put a little spork in there with the new baby just to see if they might like to cuddle, and they seem to be cuddling. Spork is, he's already socialized. And then this other one, I mean, it's just his first day. But I think, he stopped hissing already. That's a good sign. The only thing I'm worried about is I hope he's not too small. If I took him too early, I hope I didn't take him too early because he's a little bit smaller than the other one. So, I don't know. I hope he's at least 4 weeks old. He's calmed down a lot. He stopped hissing at me. The vet said I could take him in and they would tell me if they think he's too young, but maybe he just needs a few days to relax before he'll eat, or at least a day or two.
She's adorable though.
Yeah, I think it's I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, but
It's a girl.
Yeah.
Because tortoiseshells and calicos are always going to be girls.
Oh, are they?
If this is a boy, it's going to be very rare and probably very worth a lot of money.
Oh, really? Okay. I appreciate your advice and let me stop by. Okay, I stopped in at the vet down there because I just wasn't 100% sure if this little kitten was old enough to be taken from the mama. But she says he's at least 6 weeks old, 6 to 7 weeks, or she is. So I think we're good to go with that. I'm just gonna give him wet food like I did the other one. And he doesn't need a bottle, or she doesn't. And I'm gonna call her Peanut. And I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of Peanut. Look, she's letting me hold her, not biting me. Alright, go back and be with your buddy in there. Yeah, them two can cuddle. They need a buddy to cuddle with.